Nandito na ako sa gate. Volume 1 lang. Uy, ano ito? Oh my God, where are you? Where are you? Uy, Vault 1 lang ah. Volume 1, Volume 1, Volume 1. Dito, dito yung spear ko oh. Ito yung spear ko. I'm right here. See, I'm jumping. Uy, nandito ako. I'm jumping. Okay, I'm going in. Haha, I teleported first. Oh yeah, you teleported first. That's not good. Oh no. Jump. We're supposed to jump. No, I don't wanna jump. Hey, yo, I jump. Oh yeah. I just, I don't know where. What is that? Yo, what is that? Help! Where am I? Where? I see the top. I ate some Flexi's Coco Card because she didn't want to eat it. I'm jumping, I'm jumping, I'm jumping. I don't know, I think it left us. Yeah. Leave na tayo and then rejoin tayo. Rejoin na tayo. How did you join first? Let's go to your fear because I know you have a fear. I know you have a fear. Actually, nag-play kami ng face or face ah. Okay. Magvo-volume 1 ulit ako ha. Okay, what is this? I don't have claustrophobia. What are these? I want this. Okay, saan ka na? I found my fears. Yes. I have arachnophobia. I just figured it out. Who knew? Hey, where are you? Follow, 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 follow. I have arachnophobia. Here. Eh, eh. Wait, try to get in. What? Okay, let's go there. Let's go there. Claustrophobia. Bro, I'm in claustrophobia. Yeah, you have to finish a game. You go to the other side. There's a one named claustrophobia near the green door. No. Wait lang, I'm rejoining you. Wait, no, wait lang mo ako. Wait lang muna. Dude, it's here. Sian. Sian. It's here. Dito. Yep. Dude, there's someone named Lululemon. Lululemon. There's someone named Lululemon. I think we're supposed to get in there. Oh, I think volume 2 na tayo. Ay, coming. It's fine. Let's go to volume 1. Oh, I have an idea. I like megalophobia. Here. I'm jumping. See, and I'm behind you. Let's go. Yeah. 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 Mostly if it's secret. So what is this? Yo, chill. Yo, what is this? It's like a place where we check abandoned places. I don't know where I am also. Yo, those sounds very disturbing. Dude, the one who texted you was a boy. Yeah, and that was his. What's his name? Mark Roxas. Ano? Mark Roxas. Mark Roxas? Name yun! Hindi ko rin alam. Spelling, Mark Roxas? Roxas. Mark space MRO. Mark Roxas. But I think yes. Ano, sabi niya may medical condition daw siya 15 times per. Hindi ko din alam what that means. Wala akong pake. Where? You sure? Okay. Ah! I want volume 2, but it's sad. I want volume 2. We already went there. Oh, join me. Mag-phasmophobia tayo.